One thing we're surrounded with data, and what this course really teaches you is how to interpret, how to visualize, how to manage that data, how to share it and how to communicate it. Cook have been working with Irish Medtech Skillnet for years. They listen to the voice of industry, so they're always forward thinking, they're always looking at ways and how to develop it, and it's having that voice of industry being represented through the organisation is fantastic. The lecturers that are involved, a lot of them have industry experience. They know what we do on a day-to-day basis, and they have a particular insight into what industry is looking for and how to go about it. They are listening, they are adapting, they're helping us to bring innovation into our industry, but they're also providing the catalyst and the infrastructure that our employees can actually go and develop themselves further. Background, I suppose I came late to education, where I actually came through the trades. I'm a qualified electrician. I qualified in 2001, and I went on to work within industry, within the design and the instrumentation and controls industry with a local chemical plant. It was plainly obvious that you need a degree in order for progression. When you want to go into any other industries, you need to have the qualifications. So the likes of Skillnet are providing those platforms for people to progress even while working with their companies, that you're taking away the challenge of maybe people not being able to afford it, that now it's company sponsored. They are bringing together industry and assessing the need and looking for progression pathways for people with trades, working within their industry to engage with further education and to progress their career. It is a master's. A certain level of commitment is required. There will be evenings, there will be weekends, but thankfully Cook have been very good to me. This course provided a pathway to fill those gaps and to make me probably a more rounded engineer. So the minute it came up, the opportunity was too good to pass down, that I would have an opportunity to be able to progress, to get a master's in something that I really enjoy. And something that I've always loved, and to say I'm qualified, have a qualification in something like that is fantastic for me.